What's up guys, Amanda right here. Thanks for tuning into the channel. In a recap, if you have not watched my last video, unfortunately the EVO is back down again. That is just the EVO life. Bradley's a little sad, but we're gonna get it back up on the road very soon. So what had happened was this spark plug right here, as you can see, this spark plug, the ground strap completely broke off inside. So you can see that it's completely melted onto the top of this piston right here. So, and this piston is actually completely bent right here. It's got like a huge dip in it. It's crazy how bent that is. You can't really see it in the video, but it's like totally dipped right there. It's insane. So we're gonna go ahead and start by removing the oil pan and getting this ready to drop that piston, take the piston out, and we are ordering a new piston, getting that ready, and we'll be good to go once we get the EVO back up and going. So we're gonna go ahead and get this party started. Thanks for watching.
Alright, so I got the oil pan off, got the oil pickup tube off, got the crank scraper off. We are going to take off this rod cap right here, number 3. So we're going to get that off and then we'll lower the car. I'll probably put the pan back on so it doesn't leak a bunch of oil everywhere while I have it off. But then I'll lower the car and pull the piston out. And then we'll get the part number and then we'll order a new one. Hopefully, I don't think it is, but hopefully the rod's not bent or anything. But alright, let's crack this loose real quick and we'll go from there. The bearing still looks good. That's awesome news. It better look good for only having like 200 miles on it. Let's pick this back up so I can save the garage floor. Guys. Alrighty, so piston's already poking out at us. Now we can just pull it out. We can look at everything. We'll look at the cylinder wall in a second. But basically, I don't know. Yeah, you can see right there how it's dented in a little bit. And then right here is where the ground strap is trying to get out. And then this is where the ground strap, if I can get it to focus. This is where the ground strap is stuck. Pretty much, some of it, obviously. Some of it went out. But all the other pistons, they look pretty good. But this one just didn't like its life. So we'll clean this up. We'll get this piston off this rod. Right now we'll just kind of let it chill here. Get our handy dandy light. But yeah, you can see there's not really anything wrong with it. It looks like there's a couple scrapes, but nothing that's going to concern anything with sliding a new piston in it. So we're going to order this piston from Diamond Race. I'm pretty sure it's one of their stock pistons, or their stocking pistons that they keep on the shelf. It is an 82, reposition this, 82, if I can get it in focus, 82006 piston from Diamond Race. So it is an off-the-shelf piston. By themselves, they're about $200 shipped, give or take. A piston. $700 for the set. Probably should just do the whole set, but I'm probably not gonna, because these were good. I want to kind of know why it indented a little bit, but all from a single piston, or a single spark plug breaking. All from that. As you can see, there's not much porcelain left inside it either. So it got the ground strap and it got the porcelain broken into it. So what I'm gonna do is, this is the head that got messed up. I'm actually gonna take the cams out, take the HLA Kigley regulator out of it and the springs retainers, and I'm gonna transfer everything to this cylinder head, completely stock. Obviously I'll use the valve cover also, and completely stock head. Everything's still on it. I mean, still even got the factory fuel pressure regulator. It was for the backup motor, which is over here, but yeah, so that'll be something that Amanda's gonna have to learn, and we will show her how to change out springs and retainers, which is fairly simple, but we're gonna get her to swap those out, and instead of using these, which are 1mm over Farah valves, we're gonna just keep these in here, and we're gonna use stock valves, just to make it a little bit faster of a turnaround. Let's get this beast back up and running soon. Let Amanda finish the video. We out.